birthday pamangkin, yung birthday ko ka, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para tulungan mo si mama at papa mo. Kathleen.
Alright, thank you so much. And now, please welcome Ma'am Gina Apus.
Wish you all the best and be a good daughter to your parents and your siblings.
And now, please welcome Miss Jana Lou Trapeza.
Happy birthday sa magandang Cassie. 18 years old ka na, that means adult na yan. At sa ating mga babae, napaka-memorable na magiging 18 debut na natin. And sana enjoy mo lang po birthday celebration mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. And now, please welcome Miss Luisa May Canendez. So now let's move on to Miss Ivy Abuna.